Sage reporting for Kalkine Media. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you enjoy our how-to series, How to Repay Your Loan Faster. While borrowing a loan is relatively effortless, paying the entire loan amount needs patience and sound strategy. However, the faster it is repaid, the better. Paying off a loan faster than the stipulated period reduces the total interest charges and helps the borrower emerge out of debt earlier. A couple of options for you. One is bi-weekly repayments. The more repayments, the better. You can submit half the payments bi-weekly if your lender has the option to make payments every 2 weeks rather than the monthly ones. It would help you to save on interest since your payments would be applied more often. No, bi-weekly payments are not for you? Fair enough. If you don't have enough funds available to repay bi-weekly, you can simply achieve the same result by paying one extra payment each year. There are several times a year where you might find you come into extra funds. How about that tax return or some extra salary via a bonus? You can use these funds to make one extra payment in the year. Or how about try rounding your payments up? This is one of the most followed ways to make a repayment by the borrowers. Rounding up of repayments can be understood through an example. For example, a home loan EMI of $281 can be rounded up to $300 to quickly repay the loan. Hope that all makes sense. Thanks for watching. Sage here, reporting for Kalkine Media.